Hi guys, so we are at Scopwick level crossing in Lincolnshire with Joe and Andrew. Oh, we bang now, do we? There we go. Now the time is 17:30. On Friday the 17th of April 2015, this is for our 17:36 2 kilo 60 minutes train service from Peterborough Lincoln Centre like that. And if you're wondering, Andrew, I'm on Meadows timetable.
Well, that's not accurate. Add on minus 2 minutes. It should be for you expected past 34 for 2 kilo 60. Christ, it shows the light movement just behind it.
Is there?
0015 just to top of Ruskington.
Oh, so we've got a freight tonight.
Well, yeah, it's literally right up the arse of the unit that you've got.
Okay, I'll keep my...
For 1743.
Okay.
It's past 1735 for you.
Let me come over here for this.
Literally up its arse. I'll give you a picture you can have a look later. It's that close. Just passing Ralston with a 153 service.
This crossing bangs now.
So do you. Well, we can blame Adam for that, can't we?
Not really.
My ass.
Adam didn't touch the barriers.
Of course he did.
Here she
That was
is.
a bit of something.
Here she is from Peterborough Lincoln.
You've still got a red from Medringham yet? Is that coming yet?
No, it's still red
Yeah,
towards
yeah.
Ruskington. It's still red towards Ruskington. Hope we go back up again.
Of course you are. You got to reset to that freight movement through, ain't you?
Probably. So 10 kilo thingy.
You got a good chance of signals to reset.
75 is running.
You got to lose through 15.
153376. 153326 X Finish to Lincoln and
You're staying. You just got green towards Ruskington. Well, it's just come back down again.
no, it's red. Yeah, we are staying, but it's red.
Yeah, 1275 just hit on. Visual wait for your 1734 to 75 will straight to the sleepers. I added you 2 minutes for the distance. About 2 minutes plus.
It's still red up the track.
Yeah. I remember trying to expect past 43.
Oh, so it's...
It's just not through Ruskington for a little while.
Okay. Why did he stop at Ruskington for?
Hey?
Why is he stopping at Ruskington for?
Well, because 2 kilo 60 is not actually in Medringham yet, is it? Still in the outskirts.
Isn't it, guys? It's a year ago since I filmed here as well.
What?
Saying I filmed here a year ago today. Right now, actually. The barriers were down a year ago today at this time.
Oh God. In a year now, Adam's already broken them.
The gates are fine, Andrew. Adam didn't touch the barriers when he was putting them down. When they were going down.
So they wouldn't do it themselves, would they? No.
Yeah, because there's a tiny... Because the road... This part of the barrier actually hits the floor. You'll see on YouTube when you get it where it hits.
You'll see on YouTube when it's on YouTube. That's a bit of a waste of time saying that. When you look back, you'll think, well, that was a bit stupid of me.
We might as well have gone back up. Oh, it's gone green. It's gone green at the top.
If that one's really accurate now, then. The pinkish green, as you said, green on top.
Here's my dogs.
The second Medringham, platform 2, for the 1736 East Midlands trains, service to Lincoln Central, calling it Lincoln Central only. This train is formed of one coach, which is just at 7125 to rent. Which means she's in Medringham. Yeah, 0015 stops at Ruskington.
Right. Here she is.
It's a 6.
Yep.
It's a 6!
156497. Andrew's favourite 3 and 6 have gone past already. Up they go.
Ralston's just got green, so you're brave it. Signal 15 just got green.
Thank you guys, see you in the next video.